I'll bet you didn't know you needed another short rib recipe. You do. These Chipotle short ribs in this sweet peach smoky sauce was so good over my creamy grits. Yes, grits. You didn't even know that you could pair short ribs with grits, but we did. And boy, was it damn good. Take a look at all of the ingredients that I'm using to season mine up. You want to make sure you give these a good coating of whatever spices you've got and want to incorporate in this recipe. But I hit mine with a little bit of maple syrup at the very end, and then a dusting of cornstarch just to make sure all of those flavors stayed in place and went through my meat while it was marinating. We didn't cook them a super long time during the live, but if you want them to go just a little bit longer, I'm telling you, it's just gonna be better. Fall off the bone Chipotle short ribs. Thanks for tuning in, as always, to Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.